nothing happened today.
Ma'am, what is page number?
32. Take out your pencils. Take out your pencils. I'm watching to you. So now all of you, page number 32. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are in the same lesson. The lesson is very long. You have to read. You have to read all the underlined words. It will help you to learn your answers easily. So now mute your mic first, otherwise I will not start. Don't talk among each other. Third line of page 32, community. Underline the word community. Third line of page 32, Umang, where is your pencil? 32, community. COMMUNITY, community. And after that, based, BASTD. Kushal, are you ready? Yes, based, rather. You have to learn these words. I'm telling you every time because it will help you to learn the answers. Rather, religion. Yes, religion. After that, go in the next slide, non-Buddhist, non-Buddhist. Observe, next line of non-Buddhist. Second word, observe, OBSERVE, observe. Welcome, next word is welcome. Next word, finish, welcome, finish. Then solemnize, solemnize, SOLEM, solemnize, NIZE. Have you found? It is written in a red ink. And the next line, grandeur. Underline the word grandeur, GRANDEUR. Then we go to visiting, same line, visiting. Have you found visiting? Are you hearing me? Can you hear me? Kushal, Jasmine, can you hear me? Okay. So visiting, feast, feast is the next line, feast, 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 exchanging, 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 salutation. It is written in a red ink, salutation. After salutation, blessings, blessings, singing, dancing, singing, dancing. Then we go in the next paragraph, major. Have you seen the major? Major, cultural, events. If you know the correct spellings, you can find easy to learn the answers. Major cultural events. Then several. Have you seen the several? After major, yes, several, observed, not observed. Observed, we have finished. Several, moments. Next line, moments. moments in a blue ink. It is not movement, it is moments. Happier. Next line is happier. 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 Explained. After that, same line, explained. Then we go in the first point, chaiti. This word, it will come many times in your answer. Chaiti. Then luck writing ceremony. Luck writing ceremony. Then after that, sixth. Sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Newly. Newly. Born baby. Newly born baby. Then parents. Parents. Then after that, you go in the fourth line, blank. 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 B-L-A-N-K. Fourth line, blank. Sheet. S-H-E-E-T. Sheet. Paper. Paper. Flower. F-L-O-U-R. Flower. Believe. Believe. Fortune. F-O-R-T-U-N-E. Fortune. And after that, Hindu community. Last. Hindu community. So children, you don't feel uneasy to read all the spellings because it will help you to secure good marks. So all these, it comes, every time it comes in your answers. So you should know it. And we now go to Nuaran. Nuaran also underline. Then after that, naming. Naming also underline. Baptism also underline. Baptism. Ceremony. Ceremony. This also underline. And ritual. Second ritual. It is a second ritual. Second also underline, ritual also underline. And after that, second line, name. Last word, name. Name giving ceremony. Name giving ceremony. Ceremony, if you know the spelling of ceremony, it will come many times. So you should know. Name giving ceremony. Are you following me, all of you? Are you following me? Can you understand me? Umang, Sanskar, Om Pant, Vigyan. Are you following me? Okay. Then let's move to the next. Then we are in various. Next line, it is various. V-A-R-I-E-S. Various. According. According is also there. Caste. Caste. C-A-S-T-E-S. Caste. Ethnic. E-T-H-N-I-C. Ethnic. groups, ethnic groups. Then purified, purified, particular, particular. Then we will move to the 33 page. Page 33. Pasni, weaning, weaning, feedings, feeding, weaning, feeding. Ceremony I will not give here. You will learn from the earlier page, previous page. I have given you already. So here now tradition. Tradition, feeding, then you got there solid food. Tradition, then solid food. Female, you go directly down. Fifth line, female. F-E-M-A-L-E, female. Introduced. After female, you go in the next line, introduced. The child is introduced, I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E-D, introduced. Sanskar, you did not find introduced. So after female, there is male. Next line, there is male. And below the male, next line below, introduced. Cereals. Cereals is there. C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. And pulses in the green ink, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Then mother's milk, down with apostrophe, mother's milk. Then we go to the next line after mother's milk, believed, believed. Enhance, E-N-H-A-N-C-E, enhance. Growth, G-R-O-W-T-H, growth. Development, development. All of you, have you found development, growth? So up to here, 1.5 page spellings you will read today. 1.5 page spellings you will read today. Okay. Dipana, Pratham, Sadiksha, all of you, all the children, you have to read this 1.5 page. Don't think this is not homework to read. This is most important to read. Yes, Pratham, you know, no? Yes. Everybody, I'm telling to everybody. So now we will move to page number 36. Page number 36. All of you turn your page. No need to get worried. Yes, I am here for you all. I will make you all very easy to understand the lesson, to do the assignments. So now we will go to our languages and costumes. Clear, all of you? Our languages and costumes. Page 36. So here it is a conversation between two friends. Let us see the lesson. Let us see the sentence. Mishan and Rohan are walking along the Basantapur Darbar Square in Kathmandu. Mishan and Rohan, they are two friends. They are walking along the Basantapur Darbar Square. This is a place, Basantapur Darbar Square. Where it is in Kathmandu. Have you been to Kathmandu? Have you been, all of you? Yes. If not, then you will go later on. So it is the capital city of our country. So these two friends were walking along the Basantapur Darbar Square in Kathmandu. On the way, while walking, they meet two foreigners, foreign people, and who talks to them, who came to talk with them, two foreigners. And the foreigner is telling, hello boys, you look in the book, you will understand more clearly. Hello boys, may we talk to you for a while? Can we talk to you? Yes. If anybody will say, may we talk to you, then what you will say? Oh yes, of course. Yes, what do you want to say? Yeah, we say or not? Yes, we never say I don't have time. Oh yes, what do you want to say? Yes, yes, you can talk. Are you in problem? We say like this. And Mission told, of course, why not? You can talk to us. We are Mission and Rohan. Is any problem? We are Mission and Rohan. My name is Mission and he is Rohan, both the friends. Yes, and foreigner is saying, we are Maria and David. Foreigners were two and Mission and Rohan also two. And we are Maria and David. We are from Italy. We are from Italy. And we are here for a month. Like class Malina. Yes. So this is a conversation between the two friends, Rohan, Mission, together with the two foreigners, Maria and David. Rohan and Mission were walking along the road, along the Basantapur Darbar Square in Kathmandu. And they met two foreigners, Maria and David. And they say, can we talk with you? Then Rohan and Mission, what they told? Yes, of course. Why not? Then they told that we came from Italy and we are here since 1 month. We are here since 1 month. We came to Nepal 3 days ago. From Italy, they moved towards Asia. Since 1 month, they are in Asian countries. And recently, just 3 days before, they came to Nepal, our country. And we are very keen to observe and understand the cultures, languages, costumes, and lifestyle of the Nepalese. So we came here in Nepal just 3 days before. Yes, and we are very much interested. We want to know about the cultures, languages, costumes. Costumes means the dress that people wear, costumes and the lifestyles of the Nepalese people. Lifestyle means way of living. How do the Nepalese people live? What type of dresses the Nepalese people wear? What is their culture? What languages do they speak? All these things they were very interested to know. And they asked Rohan and Mission. And suddenly, while they were talking with Rohan and Mission, suddenly on the road, what happened? Suddenly a woman wearing the Gurung costume passes by them. As they were talking together, suddenly a Gurung woman, she passed from there and her dress was different. She was wearing a Gurung costume. She was wearing a Gurung dress. And Maria, what she told? Pointing towards the passing woman, pointing towards the Gurung woman who just passes away from there, she told, what a nice dress she is wearing. What a nice dress she's wearing. I think it is a costume of the Nepalese. Who told? Maria. Maria is a foreigner. She told that this is a very nice dress. Yes, she is wearing. I think this is the costume of the Nepalese people. Yes, it is the costume of a Gurung people. Gurus, women, they used to put the kind of dress. And this is the costume of the Gurung people. I wonder you tell me about the costume and languages of Nepal. I want to know about the costumes, about the dresses and the languages that people speak, that people wear in your country. Can you tell us? Maria is saying. And Rohan told, well, the woman who passed by us is a Gurung woman. Well, just now the woman who passes by us, she is a Gurung woman. And the dress she is wearing, it is a Gurung costume. It is a Gurung dress. Gurung is one of the ethnic groups of Nepal. Gurung is one of the ethnic group of Nepal. Gurung people, they belong to the ethnic community. Ethnic community. So the dress she was wearing is the costume of the Gurungs. The dress she was wearing is the costume of the Gurungs. Nepal is a multi-ethnic. Now look in the book, this is difficult for you to understand. You cannot understand without looking in the book. Elisa Gaha, I think she is. Look in the book, please. Look in the book. And Nepal is a multi-ethnic, multicultural, multilingual, and multi-religious country. Our country has many ethnic groups of people. I will make you understand, so you must look in the book. Without looking in the book, you cannot understand. So our country, Nepal, is a multi-ethnic, means many community, many people of different communities live here. People of different communities live here, like Gurung community. Gurung is also one of the ethnic group. Magar is also one of the ethnic group. Brahmin, Kshatriya is also one of the ethnic groups. Tharu people also, they belong to one of the ethnic groups. Newari people. So like this, we have got multi-ethnic groups of people. Multicultural means many culture. Gurung people have their own culture. Magar people have their own culture. Brahmin, Kshatriya have their own culture. Tharu different culture. Newar different culture. And like this, so many cultures we have. Multilingual. Have you seen in the book there, Priyans? Multilingual means many languages. So all the different ethnic groups of people, they speak different languages. All the ethnic groups of the people, they speak different languages. So multilingual and multi-religious. So many religions people in our country follow. Hindu religion, Buddhist religion, Islam religion, that is Muslim. There's a Christian religion also, Kirat religion, and many more. People follow in our country. So that is called multi-religious country. Our country is multi-religious country. So according to the population census of 2011, before also I have made you clear about population census of 2011 in the previous lesson. There are 125 caste groups in Nepal. How many caste groups of people live in our country? 125 caste groups of people. So many types of caste groups of people are found in our country. Yes or no? So many castes of groups of people are there in our country. You have to understand in this way. And 123 languages people speak in our country. How many languages? 123 different languages people speak in our country. So these you should know. You have to put in your mind. The costumes and languages also vary means different. The costumes and languages are different. Vary means different. According to the geographical area and ethnicity of the people. That means our dress, the dress that people wear in our country, yes, is different. People in the Himalayan region, in the upper mountain region, they put different types of dress. People in the warm clothes, we have to say thick and warm clothes, like Sherpa people, Bote people, these Thakali people, all these people, they live in the upper mountain region of our country, that is Himalayan region. Then they put Bakku, Docha. Yes or no? This is the different type of dress, Bakku and Docha. Due to the very cold climate, in order to protect themselves from the severe cold, they put such type of dress. So this is one type of dress, Bakku and Docha. And people in the hilly region, they put warm clothes, different type of clothes. And people in the Tarai region, they cannot put warm clothes in the summer. Yes, and only few months, 2 months in the winter, they put warm clothes. In the summer, they cannot put, they have to put light cotton clothes. Yes? So the clothes of the people, the costumes of the people are different according to our geographical area. Our geographical area is not same. Upper part of our country is Himalayan region, severe cold, very, very cold. And below that there are hills, small hills. Yes or no? And people put all types of clothes. In the winter, they put warm clothes. In the summer, they put light clothes. And in the Tarai region, during the summer season is long. 5-6 months we have summer season. And people are seen wearing light clothes, light cotton clothes. So the clothes, the costumes of the people in our country varies according to the geographical area, is different, and ethnicity of the people. And the costumes of the people according to the caste. Tharu people have their own costumes, Gurung people have their own costumes, Magar people, they have their own costumes, Brahmin, Kshetri, they have their own costumes, Newari people have their own costumes, and many more. Just like this, many more costumes people wear in our country. It is different. So I think today up to here I will teach. I will not teach you next paragraph. So put there a tick mark with your pencil. Do you have pencil in the hand? Do you have pencil in your hand? So put there tick mark. Till here, today I have taught you. In the next class, we will do the remaining paragraph. And today, your homework will be from page number 33. Page number 33. Homework to read is underline words. Today I have given you just now underline words that you will read, and I will send you your assignments, your homework to write in the fair copy I will send you after this class. Kushal, have you understood? Yes? So you have to read all the underlined words and I will send you your homework to write in fair copy after this class. Okay? We will meet in the next class with the new lesson. And Kritika Shah, I think you are not reading at home. You are not reading all the underlined words. You have to read. You have to read. Yes, don't play too much. Don't play too much. You have to read. Yes. So not only Kritika Shah and Kushal, I am saying to all my students to be good at home, read all the underlined words, read the question answers with spellings. It will be very easy for you. You must know everything, just like you are reading in school. Yes. So you have to be very good at home, obey your parents, and read, write, do your work. Question answer I will give you from lesson our cultures and festivals. We have not finished the question answers. I will not give you the question answers of costumes and languages. Understood, all of you? Today you have to do the homework of lesson 2, our cultures and festival homework to write. So many questions are remaining. So tomorrow is Saturday. Yes? Tomorrow is Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I will give you a lot of homeworks to read also, to write also. So that is why you have to be good every day read. Oh, today, madam, she has not given us anything. I will not read. Don't say. Every day there is some work for you to read. Yes, Kushal, Jasmine, Kritika. Yes. Have you understood what I taught? Mohina, Akriti, Anmol, Priyans, have you understood? Elisa, have you understood what I taught you just now? Understood? No. So be good at home and you have to read all the underlined words. I will send you your homework to write in fair copy, and that also you have to read with spellings. Okay. Is there any problem? I think there is no any problem. Can you, do you find any problem? Do you want to say anything? Do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have understood?
No problem. Yes, ma'am.
Today you have to read.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am not well today. No, ma'am. No, my stomach.
So now our class has been ended. So I will send you your homework. You will do it and be obedient. Yes. And read and write. So have a good day, all of you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.